Let go. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, get up. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, hit that button first play. Get to looking in the kitchen, hit that like, hit that subscribe. You gotta show that love. This loyalty run a long way like a dove. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up?
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. You know what I'm talking about? It's to make it happen again. You know what I mean? Second video of the day. Your boy doing the stizzle. For real, for real. I told you, all gas, no brakes. You hear me? So I have me some chicken thighs right here. About to put together. Have me some bell peppers right there. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna do no onions or nothing like that because, you know what I mean? I had the little ladies with me. Have me some mixed vegetables. I'm gonna throw these back in the freezer until it's time to shine with them. You hear me? Alright, so that's a done dollar. So we're gonna go ahead and season this bad boy real good. So we're using this in, what we go cook in, we go use my my oven roaster. You know what I'm talking about? That's that good oven roaster right there. You can put anything in that thing. You know what I mean? You can put whatever you want in that thing. You hear me? Man, there's so much stuff I can name. If you check out my videos, you'll see everything I done put in that thing. For real. Alright, so what I have right here, I have me some lemon pepper seasoning. Boom. So we're going to do 1. 2. 3 tablespoons of that good lemon pepper seasoning. You hear me? What else I have? I have some sweet Asian glaze seasoning. You know what I'm talking about? So we're gonna do 1. 2. Just like that there. And we famous. Yes, sir. When I say we famous, we famous. So what I'm gonna grab now, I'm gonna grab me some herb. You know what I mean? I'm gonna grab me some thyme leaves. We'll go ahead with that thyme leaf right there. So we're gonna do the rest of it. 1 tablespoon of thyme leaf. Well, put that on the list, babe. I need some more time. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, girl. You know what I mean? Then I have one more thing that I want to shine with. I'm going to do this spice and herb Creole seasoning. One more. So we're going to do a teaspoon. Oh. Hit nice. You know what I mean? Just 1 teaspoon, pimp. Just 1 teaspoon, pimp. Then we're going to grab some gloves. Then we'll go ahead and mix this bad boy up. So, you know, I got me some white rice. So I'm going to do probably like 2 cups of white rice. I'm going to turn that white rice into some seasoned rice. You hear me? Some seasoning with a little dirty with it. You hear me? A little dirty seasoned rice. So we go ahead and mix this in like this here. Just like this here, pimp. Give it a nice massage. You hear me? You want that chicken to grab all that flavor. Nothing but flavor. Yes, sir. Nothing but flavor. That's what's coming out your Bay kitchen. A whole bunch of flavor and a whole lot of love. You hear me? That's why I call that good love in my kitchen. Good love in my kitchen. All right. So we're going to go ahead and toss our bell peppers in. Yeah, that's a whole one. You know what I mean? Your boy love bell peppers, you know what I'm talking about? But I left that one whole so I could get that cool bell pepper flavor. Since your boy ain't gonna be able to rock with no onions, cause you know what I mean, the ladies, you know, they don't like onions, the little ladies, you know what I mean. You know, ladies, bad boys on top of them bell peppers. Let's go make it happen. You hear me? It's gonna make it happen for real, for real. All right. Boom. So there we go right there. Our chicken is in there. So we got one more, a couple more things we go add to it. You know what I'm talking about? All right. So what I have right here, I have some sherry cooking wine. Don't sleep on it, pimp. You hear me? Don't sleep on it. You know what I mean? It's go good with your cooking. Don't sleep on it. So we're going to go ahead and add that in there. Boom. You know what I'm talking about? And I have some good soy sauce. I'm going to add that to it. You know what I mean? Some good soy sauce. Mix that up. Toss a little bit of water in there. A little bit of water in that bad boy. Not much, but just a little something. Boom. And then we just go pour it to the bottom. Just like that there. You know what I mean? Just like that there. We shining. We shining like a real star, you hear me? In the kitchen. In the kitchen. Alright, so it ain't that much water, you know what I mean? You see it don't that much juice, it don't cover up the chicken or nothing. We just want it to be just like that. You hear me? Just like that. Now, if we go ahead and throw our top on this bad boy. And I'm gonna put it on steam for 35 minutes. That's on 400. And then we're gonna put it on bake 350 for another 35 minutes. You know what I'm talking about? So that's an hour and 20 minutes. You hear me? Of that good cooking. And then after that hour and 20 minutes, I'm going to turn the camera back on and we're going to eyeball it together. Alright, so here we go right here. The chicken. So all together, it took an hour and 45 minutes. Boom. That's how we looking right there. Chicken is done. But what I want to do, I want them to get a nice little crisp to them. So I'm finna throw these bad boys in the oven. So I'm putting on my little parchment paper. You know what I mean? It's gonna be juicy. Believe that, it's gonna be nice and juicy. It looks good though, I ain't gonna lie to you. It looks real good. Boom. So we go ahead and move this out the way. This how we looking, you know what I mean? That good chicken right there. Yes, sir. So now what I'm finna do, I'm finna let my rice soak in some water for like 10-15 minutes. Rinse it real good. And then we gonna get to that good rice, you hear me? But this gonna go in the oven for like 25 minutes or so. You hear me? Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and put some extra virgin olive oil in the pan. You know what I mean? I say that much right there. Just to hit the bottom. You hear me? My bag of vegetables. That's what I love about these bag of vegetables right here. Because you can throw it in the microwave for about 7 to 8 minutes. You'd be gravy. And then just cut it right here. Throw some butter in there. Shake it up or however you want to do it. A little bit of seasoning. And hit dice. It's a done daughter. Alright, so the microwave, they usually have vegetables on there, but I'm gonna go ahead and seven minutes. That's a done daughter. We got the chicken in the oven. Getting a cool little color to them. You hear me? I'm not asking for nothing all fancy or nothing like that. You know what I mean? Cool little color to them. We're gonna let this get hot. Then we're gonna throw our rice in there. We're gonna mess with it for a minute with that good rice. And I have 1 tablespoon of that chicken bouillon. You know what I mean? That's the way your boy like it. You hear me? That's the season. That's all the season I'm using. Probably a little paprika or something like that. But other than that, it's gravy. Alright, so what I'm saying, watch out because there's still a little bit of water inside this thing. You know what I mean? So it might start popping. Okay. We lucked up and it started popping. Boom. So what you want to do is just, you know what I mean, lean with a rock with it for a minute. You hear me? Lean with a rock with it for a minute. Just like that there. Just gonna make that rice come out right, you hear me? Get every piece of rice a nice coat to it, you know what I mean, with that extra virgin olive oil, that heat, come out kind of right. Then we're gonna make that good seasoned dirty rice. Seasoned dirty rice. So you want to mess with it for about, I said good, about 4 to 5 minutes or so. You know what I mean? Just mess with it. Let it know that you care about it. You treat your food right, it's going to treat you right. Hit dice. For real. I get love in my kitchen. All right, so this 2 cups of rice right here. 2 cups right here. So now we're gonna do now. another minute or so. I say a good 3 to 4 minutes or so. You know what I mean? But it's optional. You can just go ahead and boil your rice, you know, and just boom, do it just like that there. You want to just know if that rice got that attention. You see how it's sticking together like that right there? You know what I mean? You got that rice full of tension. And when you know you got that rice full of tension, go ahead and hit it with some good water. You hear me? Some good cold water at that. Wow, look at that right there. Now I'm finna throw that chicken bouillon in there. You know what I mean? Just like that. Stir it in. Yeah. Then we're gonna give it a couple of the sprinkle of that paprika, and this how we're gonna make it dirty. 1 tablespoon, you hear me? Just 1 tablespoon. That's that seasoned dirty rice right there, pimp. That seasoned dirty rice. I'm gonna put this top on here. I'm gonna turn this fire down some. I'm gonna let it cook. And before you know, we're gonna have these bad boys on the plate. You hear me? See, that's what I'm talking about right here. Your boy did a stizzle right here in that good kitchen. You hear me? You know what I mean? Look at that right there. You know? Did my thing, fam. You know what I mean? Look at that chicken. Baked chicken. That good. Seasoned dirty rice. And the vegetables. You can't beat that, pimp. Your boy doing a stizzle, for real. What it do? You hear me? But you know your boy had to come through with another one. Second video of the day. You know what I mean? Tomorrow, Soul Food Sunday. So I have 2 more videos for my good family and friends tomorrow. You hear me? Doing my thizzle, for real, in the kitchen. Don't forget to give your boy a thumbs up. Please watch the whole video, let it play. All that good stuff. Let's get the boy views up, you hear me? I'm going to keep on bringing fire meals, you hear me? I'm going to keep on bringing them. Man, help your boy get his views up. You know what I mean? I ain't asking for much. Other than that, you know, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless.